Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook tomato egg soup noodles. This is very suitable if you happen to live alone and would prefer some easy and nutritious dinner. So now let's start cooking. We first need to crack 2 eggs. Mix well. Now add some cooking oil into the pan. Add the egg. Stir fry until the egg is cooked. Turn off the heat and take the cooked egg out. Now we need to cut the tomato. Cut some scallions. Also mince some garlic. Clean the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Add the garlic and scallion. Soon you will be able to smell the flavor of garlic. Then we can add half of the tomato. Now we need to stir fry until the tomato melts. This might take a while, maybe around 3 minutes I guess. Add some water. Now wait until it boils. When it boils, we can add the noodles. You can choose whatever type of noodle you like. Now we can cut some ham and bok choy. When the noodle is more or less cooked, we can add the rest of the tomato, the cooked egg, the ham and bok choy into the pan. For the seasoning, we need half a teaspoon of salt, 1 spoon of soy sauce, a little bit of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce. Mix well and turn off the heat. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.